Make a chain of the preferred length. Skip the first 6 chains from the hook. Insert your hook in the 7th chain and work double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook in the 2nd chain on the right. Work the 2nd double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook in the chain between the 1st and the 2nd double crochet stitches. Work the 3rd double crochet. The 2nd and 3rd double crochet stitches rise above the 1st double crochet stitch.